Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. We should probably be gone before they get here.
Oh, sorry. I got it.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier.
Hey, you want food? Hey, veggie! You want veggie?
Hey, man! Hey, come take a look!
Come get some noodles. Best in Hong Kong. Noodles!
Hey, big man! You want some noodles? Hey, sexy man! You want some?
Is the new guy around?
Oh, snap. Okay. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, no. Don't go now. Wait. Let go. This way.
Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier.
What happened? Oh no! I failed the mission. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna do
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
And that is how we do it. Loading.
Hey, you! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he didn't.
Just make the volume okay. Louder. And let's play.
Business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. This week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Undercover cop.
No！ 唔好叫我講第二次啊！放我走啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎！我食咪多過你食。
講句啫，佢都
嘅，你有屎忽諗嘢！
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你
搞嚟
擺邊啦！
唔識尊重人，又從來唔聽人講。
廢話，你啲廢話邊人聽啊？我做咁多嘢，你就咁對我？鬼死啊！
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
All brands here are real.
Yeah, let's just go.
Special
What?
supplier.
What the heck? So my mic went. Oh,
I got special
for
deals.
real dog. Sorry.
Hey, hey.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
Come back.
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you! You have no class.
你個衰佬啊！
Oh. Sorry. Sudah.
Get out of the fucking way, moron! Out of my way!
Why are you running?
Out of my way!
Coming through.
Move.
Oh, shit!
I got all the best friends. Hey, you!
咪執先啦！
Guys, I need your help!
Oh, another fight. Two. Move number 2 take.
話你知啊，你實死硬啊！你咁喐我一條毛，我保證你即刻冇命。
What is it?
Fucking bitch！踢屎忽鬼㗎！
That must be so.
Okay. Let's do this to you. Kill him.
Ooh.
放咗我。
And they. Ooh. Come. Oops. Wrong one. Wrong button. Come. Ooh. Oh, wrong button again. Wow. Oh yeah. Yo. I like it. Ooh. Oh yeah, I can feel that.
It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! You little toe higher! Who the fuck you up?
Ooh.
You fucking with the wrong crowd!
我已經做緊。
你老母啊！打柒你咯！
哦咯，快！
哇，
我就說
今次嗨啦！
Cắt lên.
喺唔喺度啊？哇！嚇緊死我啊！
Jangan dikunat, jangan dikunat.
Can somebody fucking kill him, please?
I didn't know. I really, I mean, block. I don't know if there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh. My life. Can I come back? Ooh! I think I did. Now! Round two. Oh! And... Don't get cornered, don't get cornered, don't get cornered. Oh no, the wrong way! Ah! My life. That one.
Can somebody fucking kill him, please?
Oh shoot. Oh, I'm getting cornered. Fucking double kick.
I'm gonna kill you! Something will fly!
Why did I have little life when I fight this one? Oh, Okay. Just... Okay.
先踢屎不虧
Kan. Ja. Saya oh sekte. Yes. Oh, I didn't know they can grab. Oh, okay, obviously they can grab me. You're my life. Yes. No! I guess I'm gonna end this video.